Today we're going to talk about how 360-degree insights, which could be really essential for any business to succeed, right? So one of the major setbacks that businesses today face is the lack of 360-degree insights. And I guess that's really essential for any business to succeed. A quick look at the agenda. We'll take a look at what Zoho Analytics is all about and how analytics works within Zoho, within the Zoho ecosystem. And in that, we will see how Zoho Analytics can help at a functional level, that's a functional specific reporting and cross-functional reporting. And of course, at the end of the session, we will see some of the key points of this 360-degree insights. So Zoho as a company, right? Zoho offers a wide variety of data connectors or wide variety of business applications, right? Covering an entire gamut of departmental functions, be it your marketing, sales, customer experience, you name it, right? In all these different applications, the solutions that we offer at Zoho, what we're trying to do is allow you to collect data, right? So allow you to collect data. But that's not it. But we also want you to be able to gain insights off of the data that you've collected, right? That pretty much covers the entire journey of your data journey, right? And this is where the BI and analytics side of things falls into the overall scheme of things in Zoho's ecosystem. That's what Zoho Analytics is all about. A quick look at what we offer. I think you would have already seen the slide. So just wanted to reiterate as to what we actually do. We are delivering data preparation and governance using the data prep layer. And once that is done, we are also enabling users to create reports and dashboards using a self-service system, which can be hosted on the cloud or on the on-premise or on any of the Docker editions. And the third important block is what we call is embedded BI. That is one of our GTM as well, right? Go to market. So embedded BI allows you to embed the rebranded version of Zoho Analytics inside your existing applications or inside your websites or blogs, etc. So those are the three important pillars on which the platform is built. Now, Zoho's all-in-one operating system for business, Zoho One, right, is powered by 45 plus different business applications. In all these applications, the common denominator is Zoho Analytics, which propels and delivers high-quality insights. And it's not only limited to Zoho One. There are also department-specific bundles that are available, like customer experience, low-code platform, finance suite, employee experience. So these are other verticals where Zoho Analytics plays a significant role. And the stats indicate as well. So apart from these bundles, there are also 70,000 plus businesses that use Zoho Analytics for their business needs every day. These are standalone users. So with that, we're going to talk about how Zoho Analytics fits into this Zoho ecosystem for various departments and various functions. So Zoho Analytics is available for functional or department specific. So it could be sales, marketing, finance, projects, HR, and so on. So Zoho Analytics fits into that category. Or it could be cross-functional analytics where you combine your Zoho CRM and Zoho Desk data for analysis, or Zoho CRM and Zoho Finance data for analysis, and so on and so forth. And the third is the bundles, which we talked about. Could be Zoho One bundles or other bundles that we will explore. So functional specific, when I say function specific, these are the various verticals in a business. Anybody who's doing business, you have almost all these departments, right? And Zoho Analytics allows you to seamlessly integrate with all these applications. So it's quite easy to set up, meaning you don't have to write any code as such. With a few clicks, the setup is complete and the data flow starts happening. So if you take CRM as an application, it has a very complex data model, right? So it has a lot of modules. Zoho Analytics understands the underlying relationship, and it automatically connects the data. And not only that, it also offers out-of-the-box reports. So it comes with prepackaged reports and dashboards, at least 100 plus prepackaged reports and dashboards. And Ask Zia is pre-trained for all these line of business applications, which means you don't have to train Zia. It can instantly start generating accurate results over your CRM data or books data. So quick look at some of these dashboards, what they look like. When you integrate Zoho CRM with Zoho Analytics, you'll have access to a dashboard like this. In fact, many other dashboards, but I just wanted to highlight one of these dashboards where you have access to some of the KPIs, right? Key performance indicators, your revenue information, expected revenue, deal pipeline, and so on. You also have forecasting built by the system. The forecasting that you're seeing here is built using the forecasting models that we support in Zoho, so Zoho Analytics. So there are globally recognized forecasting algorithms like ARIMA, ETS, STL, and regression. So one of the models is applied automatically based on the sample size of the data. And the system also allows you to do pipeline analysis and so on. And this is just one of the dashboards. There are a lot more other dashboards you'll have access to when you integrate CRM with Zoho Analytics. Here's another one that highlights the financial metrics that you can track using Zoho Analytics. You could do cash flow analysis, do your P&L, balance sheet. All these things can be done seamlessly in Zoho Analytics. As a matter of fact, these reports come out of the box when you set up the integration. One of the other advantages of using Zoho Analytics for Zoho Finance data is that you can do multi-org integration and analysis. Suppose you are a CA firm, right? Accounting firm. You work with multiple organizations. You can integrate all of those and create a multi-org financial report. And these reports are really essential to drive your financial metrics and optimize your overall cash flow in the organization. So if you are a marketer, right? So marketing team looks at the ROI, right? Return on investment. Like how many leads you were able to generate, what was the budget allocated, and what was the lead cost per user, and so on and so forth. So all these metrics can be pulled into Zoho Analytics easily. It's not limited to, again, marketing application. Maybe you have social media applications. You're running ads on social media platforms. You can also consolidate all of those data together and create a holistic view of how your marketing team is performing. And as far as support analysis is concerned, I think it's really critical to be on top of things, especially when there is an overdue or an escalation. So you don't do post-mortem analysis, you're proactive, and you take care of any critical pending items in your support system. And these metrics are prepackaged as well. So when you integrate your support Zoho Desk with Zoho Analytics, you will have access to these metrics. Again, these dashboards are just a snapshot of one of the key report, right? But there are many other dashboards that comes in each of these workspaces. So we talked about departmental specific dashboards and the metrics that you can have access to. With that, I want to quickly touch base on what cross-functional analytics is all about. So cross-functional is the ability to merge data or blend data across multiple applications. So Zoho's ecosystem has built a sophisticated model where the integration across applications are already in place, such as CRM integration with Zoho Books, where you can see your entire cash flow, your whether the invoices were paid, how many deals you got, how many deals were converted to a paying customer, how many invoices were raised, and how many invoices have been paid. So all these, the entire funnel can be seen using this cross-functional analytics. And it's not limited to two applications. There are cases where you have more than two applications integrated. In this case, one of the examples is CRM integration with Books plus Desk. So this gives you that entire journey, the cycle of customer, how they're performing. So that's what cross-functional analytics is all about. A couple of quick key capabilities. One is automatic data blending. Like you're a Zoho One user, your CRM data, books data, if it's in the same workspace, and if they already have an underlying workflow, the system will pick automatically and blend the data together so the connection isn't broken, which means the data are not siloed. And end-to-end business insights gives you a 360-degree perspective of how your business is performing. So a quick example of what this looks like. CRM data combined with Zoho Desk. You can see the number of tickets created at the top and everything related to the tickets. But down below, the report shows you the amount of sales made versus the tickets raised by each of those accounts. So this could be a top 10 paying accounts and number of support tickets you're getting through those from those accounts. The green line indicates the number of tickets, and the blue bar is the total sale amount. So this allows you to act swiftly on these top 10 account tickets, and also the average resolution time on the one deal. So these are metrics that lets you to be on top of things. That's the bottom line here, right? So it allows you to be on top of things, so you're not waiting until somebody breaches that SLA. You reach out to those users as fast as you can and take care of the problems. And similarly, you can integrate CRM with finance, and here's an example of what that looks like. So I was talking about the deals to invoice funnel. So the top blue funnel shows the total deals, and then the green is the one deal, and the yellow is the invoices generated, and blue is the invoices paid. I think this funnel is really important so you don't miss out on those payments. And similarly, there are many other metrics that you could track when you combine a CRM with finance. So there's another report, the pivot table shows the average days to get paid. So start integrating, get the data into one single workspace, not separate workspaces. When you put them in the same workspace, this auto blending starts to happen. So that's in the context of Zoho cross-functional. Now we'll take a look at how this is essential for how this works across Zoho One ecosystem. Now, as a marketer, right, you have a very a tunnel vision of how your marketing team is performing, right? As a salesperson, you base your opinion on your most recent sale, or as a customer service rep or a customer service manager, you look at how your support team is performing in terms of their satisfaction rate or resolution rate, and so on and so forth. Now, all these departments function in the same organization, but they look at siloed data sets, which means they don't get that holistic view. Now, what happens is lack of cohesion between these channels can obscure customer trends and camouflage actionable insights. And that's one of the underpinning reasons, the lack of know to create those workflows and wire the data together can lead to lack of 360-degree insights. And that's one of the things that we try to solve using this Zoho One Analytics suite. So here you're looking at integrations, 20 plus different applications that can seamlessly connect today. And when you integrate your Zoho One or enable the analytics layer, you will have access to 1,500 plus prepackaged reports and dashboards that helps you to jumpstart using the product instantly. And AppsZia is pre-trained for all these applications. And through this smart blending, you get to have a 360-degree view of how your business is performing. I guess that's the most essential part. And this is what the Zoho One dashboard looks like when you integrate your Zoho One or enable your Zoho One Analytics. So you'll have access to all these dashboards. You'd have a page like this, and you start accessing all those dashboards. This is the page where you have all those 1,500 plus reports and dashboards. So that's in the context of Zoho One. Apart from that, Zoho Analytics is also part of all these key vertical specific bundles like CRM Plus, Creator Plus, Finance Plus, and People Plus. So if you are using any one of these bundles, you could leverage the analytical capabilities that's already plugged into those platforms. So we talked about functional specific, cross-functional analytics. We also talked about how it fits into the Zoho One ecosystem and other bundles. That's not it. It's also extended beyond Zoho's ecosystem, which means Zoho Analytics can connect with 500 plus different data connectors. Okay, 500 plus different applications and connectors, which includes databases, business applications, vertical specific applications, you name it. Here's a few reference. So that's what the tool does. And the best part is you don't have to write a single line of code. Okay, all the data is connected through UI by just authenticating your accounts. So with that, quick look at a case study. Fandel is one of our users from Mexico, very heavy user. They produce these abrasive materials. And one of the challenges they faced, if you see, was cost being a major factor with the previous vendor. And so they reached out. I remember working with these guys as well. They found cost to be one of the primary reasons, and of course, the ease of use. So if you are intimidated by using an analytic solution or a BI tool, I think Zoho Analytics will put you at ease, make your journey really smooth, seamless. So that's what Fandel's experience was with using Zoho Analytics, and they saved a lot of man hours in preparing those reports, and of course the cost that they were able to cut on the analytics tool. So in summary, Zoho Analytics is a self-service BI tool that allows you to easily build reports and dashboards. In fact, it comes with prepackaged reports and dashboards as well, so you don't feel like you're stuck or you don't know where to get started building the reports, right? So it comes with those prepackaged reports, and it's seamless cross-functional analytics, meaning it can seamlessly integrate across multiple Zoho applications or third-party applications as well, which is delivering insights beyond Zoho application. And that's what pretty much concludes a full-fledged BI tool, which in turn delivers 360-degree insights for any business. So with that, I'm going to conclude. Thank you very much for listening.